shit, there's nowhere to... That sucks. Uh-oh. I gotta take that down. I have the tools to do it. This one is this one. And also, what I don't want this high anymore. I want this low because it is a pain in the butt to put this back up. So yeah. Those screws will need to be replaced. Right tool for the right job. Perfect. Cuts through it like butter. Oh, please don't tell me you're too cold. Yep, you're too cold. Alright. Let's heat this up a little bit. Let's see if that did the trick. No, it did not. Nope. Don't get anything in there. So it's not jammed up. I'll put this inside the house. It's a little too cold. It's been sitting out here for a few days. The brad nailer is inside warming up. I just put it in. Then I decided to try to use the stapler. This has been in here at the same amount of time in the cold as the brad nailer, and this one works. Increase that pressure. And how far it goes. That's on there just as good. Alrighty. That looks good. I like that, but it does, you can see the staple a lot more than the brad, so like this wouldn't replace trim work just because the brad nailer at the end is a lot smaller than this, and this is more exposed. But I like it, it does the job. need the 4 amp hour battery. Remember, this is laminate. Laminate is not, it's a lot harder than wood is, because this, in wood, this would drill like nothing, but it's laminate. Okay. Hopefully it does. I like that a lot better. Save on space, that's good. I am thinking about putting the 2 leaf blowers on the wall. Let's see. The leaf blower and the chainsaw are going on this wall. I like that. I want that chainsaw on this wall. Which I think I will. I think I'll just do that. Look at the edge. That is the edge. That'll work. And I do have plans in the future. For Christmas I might get us a snow blower. So if I do this, I'm gonna keep this area clear because the cars don't even reach this area. I'm gonna put this underneath here, and then the snow blower is gonna go on that part of the wall. I think I'm done for now. So after I'm done painting today, I'm going to come back in here and finish this. So I like that a lot better though, I do. Especially that, like, the car isn't even gonna come close to that tool chest. So yes, it looks good. It looks really, really good so far. So yes, that couch had to go. That couch was taking up too much space.